Hello, this is Monica from Tycorun company. Today, I'd like to introduce our scooter. This is an electric scooter. The scooter power is 3000 watts and the maximum speed is 80 km per hour. This motorcycle matches 2 pieces of lithium battery, and the lithium battery capacity is 72 voltage and 40 ampere hour battery. If you use 2 battery, the range can up to 240 km. Let's see the details. This scooter in the front, we can install a bracket in the front. And in the rear rack, we can install the delivery box. So this scooter can use for delivery, food delivery. 看细节。This scooter can put 2 batteries inside. For other supplier, just can put 1 or 2 pieces of 30 ampere battery, but our scooter can put 2 pieces 40 ampere battery. You can see we have put 2 battery and 2 discharge cable. The range can up to 240 km. We start the scooter can use the key or use the controller. You can use press this button. So it opens. And you can also use it to off. This scooter has 3 gears. The first gear is 60 km per hour. Second gear is about 75. And the third gear is about 90 km per hour. You can see have 2 battery display here. Okay, let me test it. Very good, fast and light. Do you want to test it? Contact us.